Hello guys, this video is mostly for the people who have pre-ordered the new book, The Soviet Weapons of the Atomic Age. Many of you are familiar with the Soviet Weapons of the Afghan War. That's the only copy I have left to myself. Well, this is the second part in the series, the continuation. As usually we do, we have it in two colors. The one is the retail one, this is the one we're gonna review today, and then the one in blue, which was Kickstarter pre-order exclusive copy. And well, their only difference is the cover color. Inside they're the same, so let's just proceed with this one, it's easier. First thing I want to say, for those people who like slipcases, this one is really nice one. I'm very impressed with what was done by the printer. It's much better than the first one. It's actually made out of fabric. It's a really well-made slipcase with the era-appropriate camouflage. So if you want one of these, we do have them, although in very limited numbers, so make sure you check it out. Now, the book itself, I would say it's much better quality than the first one in terms of the physical appearance. So we have a thicker cover. We have, as last time, we have the dust cover, so it protects the main cover during the transportation and just during general wear and tear, because, well, using this book even a couple times a year does tear it up a little. We have the UV spots on the book for all the artwork for the weapons, for the title. We have made the weapons, we made them a little bit better. As you can see, they now have details, unlike last time when it was just one black picture. Now, as always, we have end sheets, and then the book goes like that. I mean, if you have the Soviet Weapons of the Atomic Age, the general layout will be familiar to you, although the weapons are somewhat different, or a lot different the way you look at it. I mean, they're still AKs and PKs, but, well, the devil is in details. And here we go. We have pistols, kind of similar to the ones, well, same as the ones used in the Afghan war. I mean, they're still used today, although all the texts are completely different, because we're mostly talking about history here. We're talking about them being used all outside of the Soviet Union, because Soviet army didn't really use many of these weapons. Well, they used PM, but not everything else. So like stuff like SKS or Mosin M44, they didn't really get a chance to see much of combat. Well, M44 Mosins did participate in the end of World War II, but not much after that, at least in the hands of the Soviet soldiers. So we have SKS, we have two different SKS here, the one with blade bayonet and the one with a spike bayonet. We do have the sniper rifles, Mosin and SVD. We do move on to the AKs, all three types, both with wood stock and with the metal stock. And that's actually an interesting little detail, because while we're now used to calling the metal stock AK as a folding stock, they actually called it a AK with metal stock back in the day. They only started calling them folding stock in the AKMS time, so which actually did stand for modernized AK with a folding stock. Machine guns, this is probably my favorite part of the book. We have everything here. We have the RPD, we have RPK and RPKS with the folding stock. This one was really hard to find, so I'm really grateful to the person who shared the photos with us. We do have both DPM and RP46. Again, probably my very favorite Soviet weapon, just for the reason that it's so mysterious, really, because they made a lot of them and it did not appear to participate in many conflicts. Generally, there are not much evidence of it participating anywhere. So, photo here and there from one conflict or another, but nothing in mass. When we do talk about it in here, then of course we have the PK. So not the PKM, but the first one, the original PK. I wouldn't say they're rare, but because I think that they only lived in production for 6 years before PKM became a thing. So there weren't as many of them produced. We do have grenade launchers, as you might remember from the first book. We Absolutely love them. The RPG2. Again, we have RPG7 because I mean it does fall into this era, and we have more, I would say, more unique RPG7D, the folding. Well, not a folding, but you see, RPD7D. And I'm really happy that it's here because I'm not really sure where else would it go. Maybe a book about Soviet airborne, like not in Afghanistan, but we'll see. And we do have a bonus section here as promised on Kickstarter. So yeah, this video is mostly for people who have pre-ordered the book, but if you have not and you want one, we are gonna have them in stock very soon. They're on the way to the warehouses, so go check it out on the website and grab if you like it. Thank you all.